1 second. Oh my God, all this is coming together beautifully. Okay. Skittles, give me 1 second. I want to show everybody the dresses that I picked out for OG's wedding. And I need help on my final decision. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, ready? So this is one. Wait, I'm going to just turn my camera around.
Go give it to Megan.
That's the first one.
Here, go give it to Megan. Give it to Megan.
Right? Okay, thank you. This is the second one. This one is my favorite. I also really enjoy that one. And there's also this one. I forgot to show you guys if that one. And where's the green one? Let me show you guys the green one. Here's that one. OG's favorite. This is the one she wants me to wear. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see the one OG picked out for me? You picked that one too. Yeah, and I'm gonna pull it up and tie it in a bow on the side and put a little put a hairpiece in it to keep it together. I think it'd be fabulous. Oh. Oh shit.
Are you going as Megan or Trixie? I'm confused.
Maybe Trixie.
The green one's for Trixie because someone said that one was growing on them. I think it was glowing on them because that definitely glows in the dark for sure. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I didn't mean to do that. I need my.
Are you going to be the cake?
I don't know what's happening. This is the cake we're going to eat at OG's wedding.
I'm fucking done. That's what I was asking. Are you going as Megan or Trixie? Because that's the Trixie dress for sure.
Yeah.
Hi, Popular. You're in the dress. I'm pretty sure that one glows in the dark, so nobody will miss you.
I know, right? I'm gonna stick out like I did at the hair junkie funeral when I crashed some man's hair. Oh my god! Shame on me.
If there's a black light, you're fucked.
Yeah,
you're gonna glow like the 60s.
Could you imagine me on the dance floor with all those lights coming through and shining fabulous?